Hey, this is Sandy, and I am going to make one of the recipes from this month's Simply Earth recipe box. This is the Clean Slate Mini Shampoo Bar. I need to melt some things together before I can start mixing, so give me a second. Okay, next, this was coconut oil, conditioning emulsifier, and conditioning emulsifier and beeswax. Sorry. I'm gonna add in the SCI powder. This stuff makes me cough. You probably should use a mask with this, but it's going right into the liquid. If I need to reheat this, I might, but you continue to stir it. It will not dissolve all the way. It'll turn into a thick, sticky, textured white paste, which it is. So I am going to heat this one more time because I do have a bunch of solids here, and then I will come back and do the next part. Okay, so I am now going to add in the cornstarch. This is not part of the kit. It comes from your home. Yeah, hold on. Okay, cornstarch. I'm gonna add hydrolyzed rice protein. It is 1/4 teaspoon. All right, there's that. The essential oils. Let me get the GeoGuard. This is the preservative, so it will last like almost up to a year. And the oils I'm going to be using are hoe wood, which is, this one is just 1 drop. And lemongrass, which is 2 drops. I'm going to add a little bit more because I use product in my hair. I'm going to add 4. I use product in my hair, so you can see generally it's, a little stiff, and the shampoo bars are great for helping get all the product out of my hair. I have 0 buildup in my hair, which is really, really lovely. All right, let's see. So it's going to go from less of a glossy substance. I can kind of see the shine in it. It goes to a more like a matte like Play-Doh finish. So I'm just trying to get all the solids incorporated. So you can see it's more like a dough. And then I'm going to put it into my silicone rubber mold. Let's see, let me get that in there. Push it down in there. And then it'll need to mold for about 24 to 48 hours before it can be used. Because I already have a shampoo bar in my shower, I will probably just let this sit after, I'll demold it after like 24 or 48 hours. But then I probably won't even use it for a while because I still have a bar going in my shower. Now these bars, just like any soap, you're going to want to make sure that you put it in on a well-drained dish or like a soap holder in your shower so that it can drain. But yeah, all right. So here we go. This is what it looks like. And then, like I said, the Simply Earth shampoo bars that I have used in the past have been amazing for getting all the product out of my hair. I use both gel and hairspray, and I put it on while my hair's wet, so it's really in there, and it works really well. Lemongrass will be really good to cut any of the product and wash it away. So, you can either rub the bar when it's ready to use. I have a bar between my hands. You can either rub it between your hands and then do your hair, or I just take the bar and rub it across my head a couple times and and wash it in and rinse it out. I wash and rinse twice because, again, lots of product. But these bars are absolutely number one in any product I've ever used to clean my hair. So, from my personal experience, I only use shampoo bars that I've been making from Simply Earth because they are top notch. This is from this month's recipe box. The other recipes this month are a Rooted Bloom diffuser blend, Grace and Glow roll-on, which has a lady's choice essential oil blend that contains clary sage, really great for regulating female hormones. Revive and Rise dry shampoo. Obviously, I don't use dry shampoo, but not a bad recipe to have. Not Away spray. I don't have that problem either. So, and then the Silky Strands hair mask, again, great for conditioning, deep conditioning of your hair, especially for the split ends and just keeping it healthy. So I'll leave you a link below and a coupon code below to get your recipe box. If once this box is gone, it's gone. So if you want to order, I would suggest you order right away. I will also leave you a link and a coupon code for 10% off of any purchase from Simply Earth. So have a great day. Take care. Bye.